Alright, this is a quick demo on how to get a sprite video for something like OBS. There's probably better ways to do it, but this is a quick and dirty way to do it. So let's just be quick. So first thing you want to do is install FCEUX. It's an emulator. It's the only emulator I know how to do this with. If you have another one, good luck to you. Next thing you want to do, I really not save, is open where it's installed. There's going to be a CFG file. Open that with any editor. I would recommend WordPad because it'll actually give you new lines, but use whatever you want. We're going to find this gNoBGFillColor. You just search for fill color. I'm sure that's fine. I'll leave this up here for a minute. We want to set it to 153, so it's by default 255. That's a black color. This is 153. This is basically, we're going to turn off the background, and this is the default color that it replaces it with. Okay, so we save here. I don't know why the screen like changes, but it's still there. Great. Exit out of there. We open up FCEUX. And if you can't see, I don't know if it's too granular, I'll put the values in the description. But anyway, so open your whatever you want to do. I recommend, it doesn't really matter, but get to a spot that you want to record on. For this case, I wanted to record Strider doing a rap. I would recommend doing it on the right side because this left side has these values. I don't know how to make those go away, but anyway. If we go into config, display, we want to uncheck graphics BG, graphics background. Oh, and look, the background is now green, right? So we can move around, it's green, great. Oh shit, I shouldn't have jumped, but it doesn't really matter. So the next thing we want to do is record a video. I guess you want to be ready to record. Or you can always edit the video afterwards, but I'm not going to go over that, so good luck if you do something else. So I'm going to pick a file name. Hey, Strider USA, that sounds great. I don't know what these options are. I'm sticking with full frames. Some other ones might be better. I don't know. Good luck. So it's recording. I'm going to do this, or wait till the recording thing goes away. I don't know. Let's even jump for good measure a couple times. Great. Right. Now I'm done with my video, so stop AVI. So I'm actually done with FCEUX. Hopefully you could see all that. So we're back in OBS. What we want to do is add a VLC video source, media source. Some other things might work, I don't know. But I'm just going to do VLC video source because I tested it and it works. So I'm going to add it. Let's say loop. But again, you could add whatever you want. And then we're going to actually add the file. It's right here. Click OK, and like here's our video that we just recorded. Very cool, right? Let's say we want to get rid of some of this stuff. We only want to see Strider. Really cool stuff. So the last thing is this green sucks. Everyone knows that. So if you right-click the VLC video source and go filters, I want to add an effects filter of chroma key, and then pick the one. I already have it set to green. You could get fancy. You could do custom select color and pick color, and you could pick whatever. It doesn't really matter. I guess it didn't really work because it's already picking that, but yeah. Basically, that's it. You can play with this a little bit. Oh, this is why. So if I did this, go custom, select color, pick color, that color is the one I want. You can see there's sort of like a blur from the video, so you can play with these, smoothness. You might end up ghosting this guy a little bit, so just be a little careful. That's just general contrast. I wouldn't touch those. This is the one that I would worry about. But yeah, so now if you go back, hey, look at that. We have Strider. Let me just do it on top of a window that probably looks a little bit better. I can't see the record. Oh, yeah. So he's. Oh, you guys can't. Yeah, you can see it, right? Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Do with that what you will. Have fun with it. Hope that wasn't too long. Bye.